Chapter 10, number 38. The tires on a car have a radius of 31 centimeters. What is the angular speed of these tires when the car is being driven at 15 meters per second? So, our quick and dirty, if somewhat silly picture. Here is our car. And we have the whole car is moving forward at some velocity. And we have that the tire has some radius. And we know that since the tires, we assume, are not slipping, that's just being simply driven, we know that the velocity has to equal r omega. So omega is v over r, which is 15 meters per second over 0.31 meters. So numerically that is 48.39, and we'll end up in radians per second. You might notice that we have meters over meters, so we should know it was sort of per seconds, but we know that sort of implicitly we have radians in here. Radians are not really a unit, they're kind of a counting object, and so they don't really respect dimensional analysis the way we'd hope. Because we have only two sig figs, we should say that this really becomes 48 radians per second.